my report is Philippine National Police Operation. So, to meet the demand for a deliberate, dramatic, and long-term approach to criminality, PNP launched its comprehensive response, the Enhanced Managing Police Operation, or EMPO. It lays out the detailed principles, guidelines, and procedures required not only to address the flaws of police operations, but also to guide chiefs of police or COPs in their regular leadership and management functions. The enhanced management police operation, or the EMPO, necessitates a whole of PNP nation approach, so all members of the organization's cooperation and support were once again emphasized. This includes the Quad Staff's effective planning, implementation, and evaluation, effective police intervention, intelligence, investigation, and community relations should be used systematically, purposefully, and consistently with a focus on the following. First, the intelligence goal settings, PCR, information operations, investigation, crime analysis, internal analysis, and operations entail incorporating all operational interventions in the calculated area management security strategy. The operational approach is to incorporate all police interventions operation in a calculated way with the primary goal of reducing prevalent crimes and improving public safety. So first, patrol operations is regarded as the foundation or backbone of police work and the most fundamental police duty. In order to observe, respect, collaborate, prevent crime, provide a secure environment, authorize and train individuals, usually police officers, patrol an area. Patrol operations, the fundamental police duty is the foundation of policing. This kind of police operation is carried out to limit criminal possibilities and lessen the likelihood that people may become victims of crime. It also entails acting to aid interest and intervention. Establishing a strong authority between the patrollers and the residents in the community. Being crucial for forging community partnership. Police patrols must be deployed in a methodical manner. Every operational procedure needs to be explicit, specified, carried out, shared, and documented. In order to optimize the impact on the community, crime prevention managers need to be directed by established procedures that harmonize and synergize all of the resources of their disposal. So, kung siya, mali distribution, mas dali lang siya nasa na-icon ba kung kanyang function. So, karon patrol methods, the best way to use the personnel, equipment, and resources that try to give visibility, support, and response from the police is to use patrol methods when the circumstances are right. So, natin for patrol. Next. Kung sa patrol, usually makita siya sa mga para. Police personnel patrolling in neighborhood on foot are known as non-vehicular officers. Literal foot patrol. Usually, nag-patrol sila around markets or makita ko dito sa Pedro, tulong sa Pakat, tulong sa City Hall, para ensure nila na may mga police visibility. The next, mobile patrol. Land-based vehicles are used to conduct mobile patrols as explained below. Kasi siya, only meron ko kailangan ng mobile patrol, pero nagkag din siya classification ng mobile patrol, which is motorcycle patrol. Motorcycle are typically employed in operations against criminals who ride motorcycles and those who commit street crimes. Ano siya na mga visual killing, na yung mga hinturan, kung sila mo mga basta kailangan na nag-aaral ng cycle kung kailangan mas dali lang sa siguro siya, kailangan mo sa puso. The next, bicycle patrol. Police officers can patrol far-flung streets and constrained paths, including beaches and parks by bicycle. The bicycle patrol offers speed, mobility, and flexibility when compared to patrol. Usually, ginagamit sa mga skiing tower, mga two-way na kailangan ko siya maka-access. Then, kailangan ako yung nila, may kapag maano ang away. Karoon, ito recently, the Manila Police District or the MPD has started using battery-powered electric vehicles. Wala electric vehicles. Wala naman na electric vehicles there. Usually, karon mga na nila electric vehicles para mas dali. Also, sa police, hindi na siya karang mag-apik ng vehicle. The next, the automobile patrol, which is DENE. We're covering a larger region in transporting equipment and personnel. One police patrol cars with two-way radios, blinkers, and signals are used. With this form of patrolling, it is possible to respond to requests for police aid quickly, and the patrol officers are somewhat protected from criminal assaults and bad weather. Next is the waterborne patrol. Dapat tayo ka lang, ito siya sa movement, ito siya na yung automobile patrol sa land. Kaya siya, dapat tayo ka waterborne. Waterborne patrol, law enforcement agencies employ watercraft and conduct operations for security search and rescue in land and municipal waters. Patrollers can occasionally be transported by boat to isolated locations that can only be reached by water. Usually, kaya siya para maligyan pa ng mga smuggling. Kaya siya. Sa mga, kami sila ang pulis sa dagat. Usually, yung mga illegal na magtapo, illegal na magpapro-isda, kami sila ang magpunan, kami sila ang The next is si Airborne Patrol. The PNP Air Unit primarily employs aircraft to offer aerial support to police units on the ground during operation against criminals. Mali siya natin mga salita ko. Ay mga airborne, once na sila ka-dictate kung asa isulod na ang mga nakasakyanan o kinabukod nila. Wala sila nag-i-include ng birds sa view o sa airborne. The next is the mounted patrol, which is usually makita ko sa beach, mga horses. Horses may be employed to patrol areas with rugged terrain that are inaccessible to mobile patrol, particularly in rural settings. Outdoor measures can also be carried out by the mounted patrol. Then last is the canine assistant patrol. These dogs have been carefully trained to aid the job of police officers and other law enforcement officials. Usually, nakita natin sa mga airport, sila, support sila. Then next na is so they don't know about process of canine assistant.
So for that, we will proceed to the canine assistant patrol. So there are different types of canine patrols. So here are the canine patrols. We have the search and rescue dogs and detection dog or explosive sniffing dogs. And next one is arson dogs, cadaver dogs, crowd control dogs, and criminal apprehension or tracking dogs. So next one is, regarding to the search and rescue dogs, it is about to locate missing persons or victims of disaster or human remains. So for example, for that is when in times of disaster like landslide or anything that it comes to disaster like flood or whatsoever, there are dogs which is under the search and rescue. They are the one who will find a missing persons, or we will discuss later on the cadaver dogs, which is pinapangitan nila ang mga patay na lawas or mga anything missing persons or in terms na inside the disaster. So next one is detection dog or explosive sniffing dogs is the one who locate illegal substance or contraband in hidden explosives. So for that, common sa mga sniffing dogs are sa mga malls or ang pinaka-common is nasa mga airports because there are possible tungkol sa mga airports or mga port like mga port ng dagat kay naiinana ng mga dogs kaya sila ang mag-identify or mag-sniff kung there is possible na i-travel along Tor National. And for that, next one. So our dogs is the one who detect the trace amount of flammable liquids such as gasoline, kerosene, or lighter fluid at the fire scene. So at this time, sa arson dog, sila yung in terms ng na-fire o sunog nga sa isang location, sila yung nagde-detect sa mga possible na mag-create Japo ng flame, which is Japaman, indicate na mga flammable liquids such as gasoline, kerosene na pwede mong na sila mag-ignite. So, kani sila is na aside for that to detect their possible chances of arson and other fires. Next one is cadaver dog. So, kanina na yung nakuha na is to detect the unique set of human decomposition rather than living animals. So, for this, is sila yung na-train na ang pangitao nila is mga patay na lawas. So, sila is yung medyo unique kayo. Pinapakita nila is mga patay and dili mga living people. So, next one is crowd control dogs. So, sila ang specialized plannings used for both law enforcement, security operation, and psychiatric service support. For that, sila ang nag-enforce sa security along the crowded place. And also, sila pili naghahatag ng psychiatric service support. Like, training sila na ay example is katong sa yung bansa na nauuso na sila yung nagtatapag sa mga naay like sila nila yung high blood, sila yung possible mag-detect kung naay high blood or what. And also psychiatric service kung nila is katong naghahatag sila of enjoy or happiness to their owners. And also naghahatag din sila sa mga sa law enforcement para magkaroon sila ng bond between them. And for next one is criminal apprehension or tracking dogs. Specialized law enforcement dogs trained to track missing person or being suspect in physical apprehend individual invading arrest. Sila naman yung physically na dog, kaya sila yung nag-apprehend or usaya sila mga yung ginaburian para dakpo ang sa criminal or pangitao sa silid-silid ng mga areas kay there are criminals is itong mga nag-sickly or kanang nagsidagan sa different places. So sila nagkapamatay din man tayo na sa top o criminal and they are very helpful in terms sa mga specialized trade or kanang in terms ng nagtatrapo mga bad criminals or missing persons. Next one is so for those and ito mga ako report so I will try to do my next.
So the IPS or integrated patrol system. So integrated patrol system kay muna siya modern na way para magpatrol sa PNP. So muna yung bagong na system sa PNP karon. So ang integrated patrol system kay it is a way of managing, tracking, and improving police patrol operation. So basically, na-replace siya katong mga old way like kung kailangan mo mag-logbook or ganun mo sa police station para mag-blatter para mag-report ng mga crime. So ang IDS kay nasa itulo ka components. Una kay fixed components. So permanent police units and facilities that support patrol operations and maintain peace and security. So kaning fixed components kay mo ni siya kanang kumbaga stationary lang like kaya sa kanang mga police stations or kanang other agencies pa na pwede ma-reportan o kanang mga like mga disgrasya or kanang gugot. So kadua kay patrol components refer to the different types of patrol activities conducted by police officers. So dili ito masulod itong i-report sa first presenter kanina at ang mga kasi na na way of patrolling like sa airborne, waterborne, at one pa. So, ang kanisa ang mga pulis kay nanasya ka ng mga devices na automatic o kanang report sa kanang sa fixed components like sa mga police stations para kanang dili nga kanang like manual na report sa one. So if naay kanang ma-detect na crime kay operation na sa headquarters sa mga fixed components. So ang ikatulong ay auxiliary components, support groups and organizations that assist police operations. So, kaya kay mostly mga auxiliary works nila like basta na mga barangay tanods o isa po siya sa important na component sa IPS kay kumbaga mo ni siya sila ang kanang nag-smooth sa operation sa IPS kay wala sila kay kumbaga nga wala po rin katong mga police kay kumbaga isudo kanang detect sa mga crime kay na areas na like dili madto sa kanang mga sa components. O ang pag-ulay trivia ang isa ang Davao City sa na-introduce sa isa sa pinakauna na introduce o kanilang IPS.
So next, activities of operation. So the first one is crime prevention. Crime prevention aims to reduce or eliminate the opportunity for criminal activities through police presence and patrol. For example, when police officers are regarding patrol the neighborhood or sa mga streets, syempre, wala di magtangka na mag-go flying acts or mga criminal acts na po eh. Naman sa lain nakita ng mga police, visible ng mga nag-patrol. Yun. So, second one is the law enforcement. Law enforcement is to enforce, ensures that laws are properly implemented and followed by the community. Second one is the law enforcement. Law enforcement is to enforce and implement the law. Why is it important? Why is it important? It is because law enforcement ensures justice, protects citizens, and helps maintain discipline and order in society. So, next one. The third one is public safety and security. Public safety and security focuses on protecting people and responding quickly during emergencies. So, example for this is like a road accident. Ano ganit, di ba? Pag may accident, magtawag din ng tao 1 o 911. Siyempre, namin nag-patrol sa mga panitod lang sa Delta, maka-respond ang mga officers. So, the third one is the police community partnership. Maganda daw isang pula niya. Ang isang pula ni is katagaling ng namoy sa operation galing sa police life. Namoy sa namoy ka ng partner. Basta namoy partnership galing like kung namin nakita nga something wrong sa inyo neighborhood, willing na ito ka sa police. Tapos, ang example ni kay ako isa ka friend, babae siya, tapos nadaw sa ibang barangay ko, nadaw tao, nadaw warang ng pares. Pero wala siya takpan kay ito naman tayo, nihawa siya sa ibang lugar, kaya kami balik. Isa na siya ka-rapist, so karoon nag-ay siya tapang sa mga na kung pwede pa ba daw, tapos karoon ay inuta ka sa Sir Coronas, tapos punta na kayo sa Sir Coronas sa mga details. Tapos karoon kailangan nyo na patuloy. So muna siya, muna siya police community partnership. Thank you.
For clarification, kasi namin yung question regarding ito.
Next one more.
So, I do have a question, pero pinaka-basic na lang kami sa tanong. Ito na lang mag-raise ng hand kay, ako question lang naman is regarding sa dogs. Kasi na may idea sa yung mga different types of dogs. Kaya there are two types mungkol sa libro, pero kamo, basi namin mainom. Kasi may pwede. Kaya kahit balo mo na breed of dogs, nana. Like, common breed, nana. Sa mga pastoral dogs. There's many.
Chua-chua tadi. Chua-chua.
Yes, it's a concert. Oh, different types, like breed. So, yun na lang ako kay natin sa libro. Doon to siya. It was Belgian. Belgian yung common karon. Sa unang manggod is yung German Shepherd. Pero common manggod, karon manggod, ang Belgian manggod pinaka-high-end karon kay kusog sila madagan, kusog sila kusog sila.
Wala siya iwan, mas itulo, mas athletic.
Ang dedication lawas. So,
Ang Belgian, ang kaibahan na nila sa German Shepherd, ang German Shepherd is pala yung siya, ang Belgian is black mask. Usually, ang Belgian na black sa kanan.
so mga nang possible sa mga physically, pero regarding sa mga psychiatric na type of dog, is ito mga Labrador, Golden Retriever, pwede po na sila. So mga thank you.
Thank you.